Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a bunch of errands planned. I have a little bit of shopping that I need to do, some things I need to pick up and get. So I figured, why not take you along with me on my day of running errands? So I know for a fact I need to get my nails done. Probably should get my eyebrows done as well. I need to get some things from Ulta. I'm also in need of a pair of black flats. So I was thinking about checking out DSW, and there's a couple other things that I need to check off the list. I figured I'd take you along with me and let's go! All right, made it to the first stop, and that first stop is the gas station because I totally was not paying attention to my car telling me that it needed gas until it started yelling at me. So thank God for those alerts because otherwise bad things would probably happen. Here we go, fueling up, gassing up, hitting the road again. We made it! All right, so we are going to go, well, I'm going to go, and eventually when you watch, you'll be going along with me. I'm going to DSW first, I think. I want to find black flats, like I said before. I'm going to go look for that now, and yes, here we go. Okay, bye. So the good news is I found what I needed and a little bit more from Ulta. I did not find what I needed at DSW. I was kind of disappointed with what they had, but that's okay because Target is probably cheaper and it's definitely more fun. So I'm gonna go to Target. I'm gonna look for black flats there, and there's a couple other things that I need to pick up. This time I am going to minimize my shopping because I spent enough at Ulta because it's really easy to do there. Anyway, we're gonna hit the road and I'll see you at Target. Guys, I'm back. So I do have an update. I think I was just way too excited to get my nails done that I didn't even introduce it at all. I just hauled ass and I just went on in without any further ado. But yes, I got a manicure and a pedicure and I am so relaxed. I can't remember the last time that I've done the whole thing, manicure and pedicure, and it's just wonderful. It wasn't busy at all, so they were kind of able to do both at the same time, so that was really convenient, good time saver. I'm just moving right along with all these things that I need to get done. My Target trip made up for the bus that I had at DSW. I found the shoes that I wanted, and they were on sale. They were 50% off, winning. And then Ulta, I did get a lot of stuff that I'm excited to experiment with. Maybe I'll show you in a video at another time me actually applying the makeup that I bought. Anyway, I'm not sure where I'm going next, but when I get there, when I get to wherever I may be going, I will fill you in then. See you soon! All right, it is literally like only 10 minutes later and I have an update on where I'm going. I'm going home. It is rush hour right now. I don't want to be driving around town in this, dealing with all that stress. So I'm going to go home where it's safe and where I don't have to deal with crazy drivers. Whatever I didn't get done today, tomorrow's another day and I don't really have anything too crazy planned. So things like grocery shopping, maybe get my eyebrows done, I'll be able to do tomorrow and I'm okay with that. Anyway, I am also kind of hungry, as in I'm really hungry right now. So it's kind of convenient that I get to go home and not spend money on junk food. I can eat some food that I cook myself and that's great. And I'm gonna go do that. And I'm driving. So bye. All right, we made it home. Gotta lock up Senior Quattro. Good to go. We made it! Maya, I missed you. Did you miss me? Yeah. So yes, I got a lot of my list done of to-dos, but I'm really hungry, like I said. I'm going to eat, and then maybe after that, I'll kind of dig into what I got. We'll see what it is together. Yes, see you soon. I am obviously back home because you already saw me back home, but I'm upstairs and I brought my bags of goodies up here with me. I just figured let's dive right in. I'm just gonna go through and check out what the haul is. Let's do it. So I saw these little mascaras on the way out and I just thought they were really cute. There was a bunch of different specific kinds that these are formulated for. They were like $5 a piece. So I was like, okay, I'll just get a couple and see what they do. And so yeah, I'll probably be playing with this. Oh, this one matches my nails. I didn't plan that, but anyway. So yeah, I'm probably gonna mess with these and see what they do and let you know if it was worth it or not. So this is, what is it? Kat Von D or something like that. I probably should know these things. Kat Von D. Audrey, actually, when I told her that I ran out of my eyeliner that I really liked, she recommended this to me. She said this is what she uses. This is a tattoo liner. These are vegan products, which I think that's really cool. I don't like the testing on animals whole thing. I think that's really sad. Right, Milo? This is also waterproof, which I don't know how I feel about that, but sure. I'm excited to try this though. What I like about this is whereas it acts like a liquid eyeliner, which I struggle with, liquid eyeliner is never a good time, but this is more of like a felt tip pen, and that's what she sold me on when she told me that. So I was like, okay, yeah, I'll try that out. Got a new face primer. I get the cheap stuff to not have a cheap primer serum. I'm kind of excited to experiment with that because I'm not used to that. So we'll see if there actually is a difference or not. Oh, I got makeup wipes because I needed them. Fascinating. This is probably the thing that I'm the most excited about. It is Skin Perfecting Powder. It's a highlighter called Afterglow by P-U-R. Yeah, I did not go in with a bunch of research. I was trying to find, Urban Decay used to have these little highlighter boxes and you open it up and it's like this mound of highlighter, and I really liked that product. I had it for the longest time, and when I went in today, they didn't have it. When I asked a salesperson about it, they were like, oh, I don't know. Maybe they got rid of it a while ago and I'm just not caught up on the times. I was kind of disappointed in that. However, ooh, look at that. Just tap in. Okay, hold on. We're gonna play with this real quick. I'm not doing this with any good light source or whatever. However, that just went on so smoothly and so easily. Very shimmery. And I kind of like the golden hue to it because I think that's going to be really good for summer right around the corner. So when that comes out. Got my brand new little highlighter. Very excited indeed. And then Target was a lot less eventful, a lot more boring. I did get things that I needed along with black flats that I wanted. And as I mentioned, 50% off. Come on, guys. And it's super funny because I saw these in the other section, but they were not marked down and they didn't have it in my size. But as soon as I went to clearance, they had the same exact shoes on sale in my size. It was just, you know, it was just one of those things. It was meant to be. I'll go ahead and put them on. String is still attached because I don't have scissors up here with me at the moment. Yeah, I think those are cute. And they're really comfy. You can slip in and out of them really easily. They do the trick. That's pretty much all I have for you today. Like I said, I'll probably do a video where I play with the makeup and actually put it on and maybe do a whole makeup look for you. Thank you guys for joining me today. Instead of shopping all by myself, I had some friends with me. That's really nice. I like doing that. If you like the shopping vlogs, please let me know. I'd be happy to do more. Today was a very good day. I did miss my Milo though. All right, guys, I hope you have a lovely day, evening, whenever I upload this. I hope it's a good day. I hope it's on a good day. And if it's not a good day, maybe this will make the day a little bit brighter. Thank you for all your support. I will see you next time. Stay happy, stay healthy, and stay bright. Bye, guys.